Gracie Apilanza from Men's Style Fashion, and we're here in Laos, Luang Prabang, and we're heading up to one of the UNESCO sites, the waterfall. Highly recommended. Top tip, rent a car from China. We are at with the Xiom, a whopping roughly 30 horsepower, 200 kilometer range. We've got plenty of range on it, and it's perfect for the go-to waterfall Luang Prabang tour. Don't forget to stop at the rice fields and be careful on the acceleration. A lot of potholes as well. And it's going to be me, it's going to be you, and Xiom, formerly known as Geometry. And if you're in Luang Prabang, there are so many Chinese electric cars. It's just endless, endless, endless. Put Carrie Ann, you need to listen to Carrie Ann. It's a Apilanza.
Now you can do it.
Morning, this is Gracie Apilanza, and welcome to Asia, Laos, Luang Prabang. I am in an electric car from China called Xiom, formerly Geometry. A massive, whopping, roughly 30 horsepower. It's so cute. And does 100 kilometers an hour, but the roads of Laos, heading to the UNESCO waterfalls, which is stunning. A lot of potholes, so obviously I'm not going that fast. You can get it in a gorgeous pastel pink or a mint green, or my one today is all advertising. The best $40 a day rental. I recommend it. Especially when coming to the stops, buffalo ice cream, white fields to eat, gorgeous village and that's up to the and my go-to little tip, you can play tootsies while you're driving. Have a look at this. Wearing my Crocs. Ooh, I got a bit of acceleration. Faster! Why but yes, not. I look at all the fruit. Stop, buy locally. It's gorgeous. Watch out for the motorbikes. Very, very love it. It's very simple. If we have a look at we've got. Oh, let's film the bridge first again. I love the sound of the bridge. The sound of the electric car. My teenager daughters say it reminds them of Squid Game. But so don't go fast here because the roads
Squid Game
are not made for it. Very simple. You hand over your passport, so you return the car. But yeah, I'd love this in Italy. Perfect for narrow roads. 100 kilometers an hour. If I'm comparing it to the Amy Citroën. And it's just so cute and highly recommended. Welcome to Laos, Luang Prabang. You can check a lot more on my YouTube. And definitely on the way to the waterfall, stop at the rice fields for some food and the buffalo ice cream. It's really famous here. And you can buy bokun
I can take a photo.
which is an Italian cheese.
Oh my goodness.
And the food here generally is superb. French inspired, wonderful patisseries.
Just good.
The coffee culture here is amazing. They grow their own coffee beans. But as I said, put on your Crocs.
No, we want to be here.
And play tootsies.
Okay, you sit in the hammock.
off we
I want to
go.
be on the rice
Jai.
fields.
Go, Jai.
We watch the movies with the kids always are climbing.
Yeah.
Yep, Keiko.
Don't go forward. Make sure you're in reverse.
How much further?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. More.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
Yeah. Now carry on.
Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
I know. You know what I'm laughing at? We brake as if it's really
Okay,
big.
stop.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh.
And now.
We're in stereo now. Stereo. Hey. Got a tune going on.
Yeah, good.
Direct carry on.
Okay, carry on. Go forward. Okay, yeah.
That's great. Yeah. Oh, perfect. It's a shame we didn't have the mint green, because that would be cute. But
So funny. Should we all hop out the car and take pictures?
yeah, I'll take one. Yeah, go. Oh, wait. I'd have this in a heartbeat where we live. It's just a perfect Italian little.
The car.
Because there are parks where you think, oh, hold on, I can
Yeah,
get in
you
that.
could fit anywhere, couldn't you?
Yeah, that's the whole point. What's Carrie Ann think of it?
I don't know. Well, she's fighting it, right? So I guess she likes it.
Really, are you actually? Michael, get in there if you want. Hey, look at the people in the background. Where are they?
Hey.
How random's that?
Hey,
Are they working?
stop it.
Do not try this at home. So this safety.
Whoa.
Jeez, Arthur. Beautiful. Please, that's a great shot. I
Look
got
how
you.
close Michael is to the
Come
right.
around. And then, of course, Chucha, I want one of my own. Me and my black socks. And the chooks.
That's
Here are the
fun.
chooks.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, this is a good shot.
When your
too.
partner's going too slow, come on, and off we go.
It doesn't have an amazing acceleration.
Oh, jeez. Oh, Arthur. It's nice. Oh, jeez, Arthur. It's not funny, Gigi.
I know. I only got working humour.
Can you slow it down a bit? Just slow it down. Suspension's not the best.
Stereo
Squid Game.